Alright, first one of the day, got him. Example, man. Show these children how it's done. Alright. Alright. Serious done caught that little baby fish over there. He don't know I'm on my second one. My little one, I was too embarrassed to show it. He done caught him a fish, so we got to show these females how it's done. See this little old fish right there dangling? Let's see you take him off the hook. You got a lot of people over there. Oh, something biting my line. Yeah, they're eating hot dogs and hamburgers. Oh, I gotta grab my line. Somebody biting. They's biting right now. All right, later. All right, they just had to show the females how it's done. So Sirius done caught his little brown. Y'all seen mine's a little bigger than his, whatnot. The size of my hand, but yeah, dip them in the water, and then once you get enough water, then bring them back out so you can show the angling. All right, now take them up there. Yeah, take them up there, and then come back and take them off. Take them up there to the gentleman up there. How old is the dog?
Oh, Pico, it's not 2 years.
Pico, get out the road. Stealth mode. Stealth mode at its finest. Stealth mode. Alright, zoom in. Y'all see that deer right there? He's blending right on there. My wife don't even see him. I try to zoom in on him. That's a real deer. Y'all see? Camouflage. Not a fun. Just like we're watching it's watching us. Because she's still trying to figure him out and find him.
I see it now.
Oh, wow. Right in the backyard.
There's another one. I see two.
She see two. That'll be your first time seeing two.
Interesting.
Yeah, right here in the barn. So y'all see, you can't see no deer. Now you see a deer. Now let's look up. There go a buck. See those antlers? It's a young buck. Young buck. There go the doe. Young buck. There's the doe. They're back there chilling hard. Later. Nice. All right, guys, we'll be back to check out some s'mores. Now, mind you, like I said, I'm just here early, just doing a walkthrough, fixing to get things started probably in the next 20 minutes. Everyone's still getting settled in. He enjoying lunch right now. Is that a Billy goat, or you don't know?
I don't know. That's
Look.
a lamb, and then that's a hare or a bunny, and then that's a rooster.
Oh, you said a hare or a bunny? Let me see. You said it's a hare?
Not just saying it.
It's not a hare. A hare bigger than that.
Maybe
No,
maybe a
you need to
hare.
know your
Rabbit.
animals.
a rabbit.
Look at her. She's chilling. It's all right, ma'am. I would have been beyond because I would have been scared. She was on the little one. How you is on the big cowboy Kyle?
I have to hold on, Mom.
For what?